Hey guys, how are y'all doing? I hope everyone is fine. So in today's video, it's just one of those boring videos really, but for me, I find this kind of video soothing. I wanted not to talk, but I was like, okay, let me come and explain here. I tried Sister Label's recipe. The bad thing that happened while I was trying her recipe, electricity decided to go. So her recipe required an oven, right? So the food was already in the oven, but electricity went. So I decided to take the same food and put it in a pot and cook it there. Usually in this house, when we cook brinjal, we usually start by frying it. So it mustn't get any moisture, otherwise it doesn't taste good. So the recipe was tasty, but because of the brinjal getting all soggy, I don't think I was able to reach the maximum tastiness of the recipe, but I will try it again. Yeah, thank you so much, Sis Label, for the recipe. For today, it was a fail on my side, not necessarily on the recipe, but because of the electricity. I also cook spinach. I finish up some old broccoli and cauliflower that was sitting in the fridge for the longest time. I was like, okay, let me mix it with spinach. Anyway guys, this is my food for today. I am trying to eat clean, and eating clean doesn't always mean tasty, but yes, we're trying, but the spinach was very tasty. Beetroot again. So this whole meal is inspired by sis Lebu, ne? So beetroot again, I didn't cook it, just grate it like that. And I wanted to put vinegar, but I was like, oh, it's gonna taste so bad, because I was tasting it. I was like, okay, let me just put mayonnaise. Although I want to also stop eating mayonnaise, like I'm just changing all around how I eat, maybe for 3 months, like just to correct some health issues that I have. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you again on my next upload. Bye bye.